Oh, my people, na good evening. Oh, I don't come back again. Oh, na me, your girl, your sister, true story, Lady P. Good evening, my sister, my brother, sister. I beg this evening, I dey vex. You know when I say person saying the vex, I dey really the vex. Phone and they take. Not only 3 days, I be 4 days now. Now our governor Noga Ase Obaseki. Now he talk say make dem no dey give money to youth again. No more Okarele, no more Chema, no more nobody. Make dem no dey pay money to anybody. E never even reach 48 hours. So e never even reach 48 hours wey this man put this law. Make dem no dey give money now. Wetin baffle me for Okeke na dem don start to dey thief people door.
Mama ba flat na hina me se na we madu gun na mu na mu ikare ye wa do vule ku no wari ko wa e ku eva no wari ko wa na bibi gun ani e na hina ye wa vule me ti call no ba ma yo e ka send the voice record gun ani ge ye wa vule wa ke block ya wa gbele wa vule ge e wa nya ni ye ko.
They don dey break the house wey people use money buy land, suffer, build am. They just dey scatter the house now. They carry the door. They don dey break door now. Me, I no understand though. So if you stop one law, Benin people they go bring another one come out. When you go out, they'll say na Hausa. All the whole problem within Nigeria na Hausa. They'll say na Hausa people they thief am oh na so people. Now you never even reach since March. Imagine since March they fix that door. Hausa people no see the door. They no see the place they go. Now when Godwin Obaseki no get a second talk say make people no dey pay money again for settlement. Now they don start the thief door. If you know say you get house for Okeke, secure your house. For Okeke community, secure your house. So if you know say you never ready to plaster your house, you never ready to put anything, if you know say you never get money to fix that house, I beg, no go put door for inside bush. Oh, no go put window for inside bush, because the community now don start to dey thief door. We no know who do am oh, but na the community na the thing for start now. Na Okeke community na that thing for start. The thing don start for Okeke oh, wey dem dey thief door. My brother go put the video. Una see door wey person put for a house, the way they take go pull am. Na empty video they come bring come. Say make una see say man, they don comot.
Mama ba flat na hina me se na we madu gun na mu ikare ye wa do vule ku no wari ko wa e ku eva no wari ko wa na bibi gun ani e na hina ye wa vule me ti call no ba ma yo e ka send the voice record gun ani ge ye wa vule wa ke block ya wa gbele wa vule ge e wa nya ni ye ko.
Anything thief now na door, iron door wey person use money to do. Una think say people wey dey diaspora, how na dey call the diaspora dey call am na. Una know how many jackets wey dem dey wear just only money to go find money to go work, wey una dey bed dey sleep, na dey break people door, dey carry all the old door, house wey dem don already put ceiling. You just comot, you just go there, go break the door. Your mind not even shake you for mind. You don say you don already do am now. Hey boy, dey nothing dey happen. My brother, my sister, I use this to take warn una, opportunity to take warn una. Una get am for mind say anything wey person do for this life, they wait am for front. Una dey feel say hellfire na after death. Yes, hellfire some believe say na after death o, but this world wey we dey so, na you go still receive everything wey you do. If you plant good crush, you go harvest am. If you plant bad one, you go harvest am. Anything wey somebody plant for this life, he must harvest am. Dem don start the thief door now for Okeke community for Sapele Road. They know they thief things for house. The other day, wetin the thief na tank wey they buy, wey they put for this way they build house. They turn all the old water throw away. They carry the big tank. That community no fit find peace for themselves. Now then themselves they fight. Now then themselves they talk say na so papa carry another, na so mama carry another pikin come. Na so mama carry another pikin come. That community no settle. So fight. Thief. And so they go they pay double settlement every time. Now God number second don't talk say maybe people don't pay what do they call am, whether na verification or verify. Now person wey be say e sell land for you, na him go still come. He go stand gidigba. Who sell this land for this person? He go say na him sell land. Na him sell go still come collect verification. Na only Nigeria, only Edo State, na that thing dey happen. Only Edo State, na they verify. Who sell land for you? Na him go come still come verify land wey him sell still sell for you. Now don see that country before. Now na door. Now they come dey pull now. If you never ready to plaster your house, you never ready to do anything, abeg, protector, window, wey you do, everything, leave am for your house. They don start dey gbaga all the old door wey dey Okeke community now. You understand? E good make person dey look community dey enter, because all those community boys now, e wan come too much for una now. E wan too much for una. Nobody even wan work again for Edo State. Nobody even wan go labor say abeg, before we even dey see wheelbarrow pusher. Now wheelbarrow pusher wey we dey see now na criminal and all of them. Na dem bend the pass. Dem dey find person pikin wey dem wan thief. Anybody wey say that because of poverty na him make him go steal, my brother, thief don already dey your blood. Because the power wey you get, because people wey dey thief, they really get power. Nothing dey heavy them. The power wey you take go thief, e go reach you, take work, go hustle. You understand? Go hustle money. Imagine for Edo State now, na Cotonou children, Cotonou boys, na it can be bigla for Benin, na it can be furniture for Benin, na Cotonou boys, na it can be POP boys for Benin. Na only Benin things wey never happen for other. In fact, if something dey happen for the whole Nigeria, when e reach Benin people hand, e go come turn to be like say whether they mix salt and sugar together. I no know wetin dey happen for that land. Na only God we dey pray to make e help us. But sometimes wey be say fight wey we go fight by ourselves, we go dey say salobo atore wo do hu, salobo amana tore edegbe. If God not come down for up, they no break. Fight when I go fit fight by ourselves. All those people, they say that they do vigilante, vigilante that they collect money. Those vigilantes that they don't see people will go thief the door. Which vigilante they do? They will gather, go stay for under one mango tree. They drink, they collect money. We be vigilante, we be vigilant that. Before they go pull door. No. Na so na be vigilante. Wonder shall never end for that country. People wey really e be like say una use una life take swear, so una no go let Benin better. E be like say una use una life take swear. Because of una now, children dey run enter Europe, children dey run comot for Benin, children dey run. In fact, wetin Benin people, wetin dey happen? If they carry something for social media, na their own go be. In fact, the way they go take carry that thing, they go even call social media, come they insult anybody wey be say. Imagine some people wey they even call themselves presenter, wey people supposed to dey use say they proud, say na my presenter be, they go come social media, na the man, na the case. That one una feel say wait, which kind foundation una dey lay? Our sister dey complain every day say Benin industry no dey go anywhere. How e go take go anywhere? How e go take go anywhere? You say you be presenter, at least you be light to everybody. You say you be musician, una be light to people. Not to one that they do, not to one that they start. wey be say no dey get trouble, no dey find each other trouble. Wetin una dey gain? Wetin una dey gain? Huh? Where that Benin wey be say people go open door down, we no dey lock door to sleep. Where the Benin go? Where the Benin wey people dey carry mouth to spread for outside? You go sleep, day go break. Where the Benin? Me at the house, where the Edo State wey be say you go leave door, you go leave door, that door day go break. When you go don't even sleep, wake up, then you can remember say, imagine that where the Nigerians, where the Benin wey be say you go put something for ground, you come meet her the way you live am. Children nowadays no one suffer. They want glinter money, fear. Wetin be una problem? Na common door. How much you want go sell am? As you put those door now, you put pain for the owner body. Nothing wey they even dey call na name put wey be say if you dey watch them for social media, how you go use hand take hold your head? This one na human being. Na mama born those ones.